Today I am reviewing the Ninja HyperHeat 9-in-1 electro pressure cooker. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today I'm reviewing the Ninja HyperHeat 9-in-1 electro pressure cooker, a versatile kitchen appliance designed to replace several cooking devices while making meal preparation faster, easier, and more convenient. Whether you're a busy parent, someone who enjoys meal prepping, or simply looking to save space in your kitchen, this multi-cooker promises to handle everything from pressure cooking and slow cooking to rice, sous vide, steaming, yogurt making, and even searing, all in one compact machine. Let's take a closer look at what makes this cooker stand out and whether it's worth adding to your kitchen. The first thing you'll notice about the Ninja HyperHeat is its sleek, modern design. The dark gray finish gives it a premium appearance that blends well with almost any kitchen decor. Unlike having separate appliances cluttering your countertop, this single unit combines 9 different cooking functions into one space-saving package. That alone can be a huge advantage for people with smaller kitchens or anyone who wants to simplify their cooking setup. One of the biggest highlights of this model is Ninja's HyperHeat technology. According to Ninja, this system builds pressure more quickly than traditional cooking methods, helping reduce the total cooking time significantly. While every pressure cooker requires a few minutes to build pressure before actual cooking begins, this model is engineered to make that process more efficient. That means weeknight dinners can be ready much sooner without sacrificing flavor or texture. Performance is where this multi-cooker really shines. Powered by a robust 1,200-watt heating system, it delivers strong and consistent heat for faster cooking and better searing performance. Many multi-cookers struggle when it comes to browning meat because they simply don't get hot enough. The Ninja HyperHeat addresses this issue with a wider, more powerful cooking surface that allows you to properly sear beef, chicken, pork, or vegetables directly inside the pot before pressure cooking. That extra step develops richer flavors without requiring an additional frying pan, saving both time and dishes. The generous 9.5-inch cooking surface is another thoughtful improvement. Instead of cramming ingredients into a narrow pot, you have more room to spread food evenly, allowing better browning and more consistent cooking. If you've ever been frustrated by overcrowded ingredients steaming instead of searing, you'll immediately appreciate the extra space. Capacity is another strong point. The 6.5-quart removable cooking pot is ideal for families or anyone who enjoys batch cooking. Ninja states it can comfortably fit up to a 4-pound whole chicken or a 5-pound roast, making it suitable for serving approximately 8 to 10 people, depending on the recipe. That makes it an excellent choice for family dinners, meal prepping, or even small gatherings with friends. Another feature that deserves praise is the removable Simply Serve pot. Instead of transferring your finished meal into another serving dish, you can simply remove the cooking pot and place it directly on the dining table. This not only saves cleanup, but also keeps food warm while everyone serves themselves. It's a simple feature, but one that adds real convenience during everyday cooking. Rice and grain cooking is another area where this cooker performs exceptionally well. White rice can be prepared in as little as 8 minutes, while quinoa cooks in around 5 minutes, excluding the time needed to build and release pressure. For busy households, this can make preparing healthy side dishes much quicker than using a traditional stovetop method. The inclusion of a dedicated sous vide function also expands the possibilities far beyond typical pressure cooking. Sous vide cooking allows meats to be cooked slowly at precise temperatures, producing incredibly tender steaks, chicken breasts, and seafood with consistent results. While dedicated sous vide machines can be expensive, having this capability built into a multi-cooker offers excellent value for home cooks who want to experiment with restaurant-style techniques. Slow cooking remains one of the most popular functions, especially for soups, stews, chili, pulled pork, and pot roast. If you prefer preparing meals in the morning and returning home to dinner that's ready to serve, the slow cook mode performs exactly as expected. The versatility of switching between pressure cooking for speed and slow cooking for traditional recipes makes this appliance adaptable to nearly any cooking style. The yogurt function may not appeal to everyone, but for health-conscious users who enjoy homemade yogurt without preservatives or unnecessary additives, it's another welcome bonus. Likewise, The steaming function is perfect for vegetables, seafood, and dumplings, helping preserve nutrients while maintaining texture. Cleaning is often one of the biggest concerns with kitchen appliances, and Ninja has clearly paid attention here. The removable ceramic non-stick cooking pot features a PFAS-free coating, giving users greater peace of mind while also making cleanup incredibly easy. Most food residue wipes away with minimal effort, even after high-heat cooking or searing. Since the pot is removable, washing it feels much more like cleaning a regular cooking pot than scrubbing the inside of an appliance. The user interface is straightforward and beginner-friendly. The control panel offers clearly labeled cooking modes, making it easy for first-time users to select the desired function without digging through complicated menus. Even if you've never owned a pressure cooker before, the learning curve is relatively gentle thanks to the intuitive controls and included quick start guide featuring several chef-developed recipes. Of course, no appliance is perfect. Like most electric pressure cookers, you'll still need to account for the time it takes to build pressure before cooking actually begins. While meals cook much faster overall, new users sometimes expect the displayed cooking time to represent the total process, which isn't always the case. Fortunately, after a few uses, this becomes easy to anticipate and incorporate into your meal planning. Another consideration is its size. Although it replaces multiple appliances, it still occupies a fair amount of counter or storage space due to its family size capacity. For most households, however, the space savings from eliminating separate slow cookers, rice cookers, and other devices more than offsets its footprint. Overall, the Ninja HyperHeat 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker delivers an impressive combination of speed, versatility, and convenience. The powerful 1,200-watt heating system, excellent searing capability, spacious cooking surface, family-friendly capacity, and PFAS-free removable cooking pot all contribute to an appliance that feels thoughtfully designed for modern kitchens. If you're looking for a multi-cooker that can genuinely replace several appliances while producing consistently delicious meals with less effort, this Ninja model is an excellent option. It's equally well suited for busy professionals, growing families, meal preppers, and home cooks who enjoy experimenting with different cooking techniques. The ability to pressure cook, slow cook, steam, make rice, prepare yogurt, sous vide, and sear, all within one machine, makes it a highly versatile investment that can simplify everyday cooking while delivering consistently satisfying results. In the end, the Ninja HyperHeat 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker earns high marks for performance, versatility, ease of use, and cleanup. If you want faster cooking without sacrificing quality and appreciate the convenience of an all-in-one appliance, this model is definitely worth considering and stands out as one of the more capable electric multi-cookers currently available.